Hello, welcome once again to my YouTube channel, and this is Joel here. Today we are going to be learning about Google Drive. So, if you might be wondering what Google Drive is all about, Google Drive helps you to, just like iCloud and Microsoft Cloud, it stores your documents in servers. Google just don't call it them computers, but they call them servers. So these servers are all over the world. So what are the benefits of using Google Drive? When you use Google Drive, there are, first of all, you can be able to access your documents from any part of the world. That means your documents are backed up. So whether in Kenya, whether in Africa, you're in Europe, you're in Asia, you're in America, you can easily access your files just like that. Then the second one is Google. You can easily search your files and identify them without any mistake. Like if you're in any part of the world and your computer happens to get a problem and you want to access a file, you can just describe it from your Google Drive account and it brings you the exact file as you need it. Then the other important factor is Google helps you to share your files with different people all over the world. You can share them and then edit the files at the same time. That means if you want to work on a file with a different person, that person, instead of sending, the person works on it and then sends back and then you also work on it. You can work on the file at the same time. As you're working on it, the person will be working on it from the other side. So how do you use Google Drive? So in order to use Google Drive, you can browse it, you can search for it, like drive.google, or yes, as it can be seen here, you just tap on it, or you can come to this, like this icon here. This is where the Google apps are on your website. Then you search here, it looks like a triangle. You tap on it, so it brings us here. So how do you use it? In order to use it, you can drag a file from your computer, you drag it here, or you create a new one. Like here, you can create a new file, or you can upload a file, and then folder. You can upload a folder. Let's say a new folder. A new folder. We type the folder financials. Then you create it here. Yes. And then how do you get from all the files which you have on the computer? You can just drag it. You drag it to financials. It creates like that. And then it has different features, like you can share many files with people, the ones which other people have shared with you. And then the recent files you have worked on, you can come here. Then you can store your files. They are like, once you delete your files, they come to trash. Then you can check up your storage, like I modified them, right? Then you can come here, the different files which are here. Yes, these are some of the files which I've overtagged on my Google, especially these ones are ones which I'd uploaded on my Google Drive before. Yeah, anyway, this is what is basically what Google Drive is used for. So anytime you put your files on Google Drive, your folders on a Google Drive, your documents, and you want to edit them, even if your computer is not around, you can edit them from another computer. If anything happens to your computer, you can edit them. You can access them in any part of the world. And I would like to thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much.